Hello, my amazing class. We are going to be starting poetry for a couple of days and we'll see how it goes. If you have any questions about the comprehension questions coming up, just email me. If you're not exactly sure, just go with your gut. Know that, you're not going to get points taken away if you don't know the right answer. Please just try your best. If you really have any questions, just email me. I hope that the questions are straightforward for you. So today we are going to be doing the poem Spring. So let me read it aloud to you. Bending with the wind, the small tree shows its strength and agrees to compromise. The bitten half moon rests in a dark blue blanket and waits for morning. The frozen earth cracks like a beast that is yawning and awakens to spring. A chipmunk ran quickly across the rain-slicked boulder and slid into grass. So friends, this is a ton of imagery, okay? There's some words in here like, is it really, is the moon really bitten in half? No, obviously, it's talking about a crescent moon, a moon that's not fully, round or its shape. The frozen earth cracks, so that must mean, hey, after a long winter, the earth is frozen, and then it does kind of have those cracks in it. Is it cracking where you can fall through? No. So this poem is just kind of get you into spring and summer. If you haven't, step outside, smell the trees and the flowers blooming. It's very beautiful, and with the rain these past couple days, hopefully it will be nicer, right? All right. I'll see you later.